Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a swan out of hot glue. This can be done out of almost any animal as long as your creativity is creative enough. You would just need hot glue and something that hot glue won't easily stick to. You can use wax paper or a silicone pad like I have. I started by creating a base, and after that dried, making another one on top of it. After every drying session, I would go to make it a little wider so I could represent the swan's body. To make the head, I created a flat strip of hot glue, peeling it off the silicone pad, then carefully holding the piece in my hands and adding more hot glue to make it cylindrical. I then used the tip of my hot glue gun to heat up specific points, and when the glue started melting, I bent the neck into the shape I wanted. I also used the tip of the glue gun to melt the glue and attach the head to the body. To make the wings, I used the silicone pad, and with my glue gun I drew an outline of wings and filled them in. After letting them dry, I covered them with a few more coats of hot glue. I made thin wings that could also be heated with the hot glue gun and bent into shapes I desired, and attached those to the body the same way I attached the neck. To make the beak, I once again used the hot glue gun and very carefully put a drop of hot glue on the tip of the head, and when it was drying, I pulled on it slightly with my fingers and used the gun to even it out. And this is the final product. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.